loves, welcome back to It's Classy Jazzy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys this easy smoky eye makeup tutorial. If you want to learn how to create this look, just keep watching. Hey loves, now I'm going to apply my foundation all over my skin and I'm going to do my eyebrows. It's magical. Now I'm going to put my concealer that's lighter than my skin color and I'm going to place that all over my eyelids. Then I'll get my beauty blender and I will blend it all seamlessly. I'm going to get my setting powder and I'm going to swipe that around my eyes with a blending brush. Now I'm going to use my tapered blending brush to get my orange eyeshadow and place it on my crease. And this is to add warmth and depth into your skin tone. And now I'm going to add the brown. I'm going to focus it more on my outer corner and then blend it into my crease. Now I'm just blending the shades out and adding a little bit brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm going to use a gold eyeshadow and place it across my lid from my inner corner to the middle of my lid. And then I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and this creates more depth. And I'm going to put that right exactly on my outer corner and blend it in with my finger. Now I'm applying black eyeliner and I am going on my waterline and I am going on my top lash line. And this is to make our eyelashes look a little fuller. Now I'm going in with my mascara and I'm going to put that on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go back in with my tapered blending brush and add orange eyeshadow to my bottom eyelash line to create more depth. Then I'm going to add lip gloss to make the look poppin'. And that is all, ladies. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching this easy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you on my next video. Bye loves.